Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. So let's talk about some brand new Blender add-ons that are currently available for the month of July that you possibly missed. And these add-ons are definitely going to help you in your next project. And with that said, let's get right into it. MotionGen from the folks at Tangra FX is an amazing tool that allows you to create motions from video. So instead of working with complex tools, this tool simply lets you drag and drop a video with no markers, no sensors right inside of Blender, and that transforms it into a fully rigged production-ready character animation that you can use on your own 3D models. At the same time, this comes with some very interesting features, which includes the fact that everything that you do is 100% local, so no internet is required to get anything running. This also offers a one-click retargeting tool option that is also available. Once you're done with this, you can modify your motions, export them to various DCC tools, and continue working with that. Currently, this tool is supported for Windows and NVIDIA GPU users. Now, for those who are working with Linux or even Mac, there is an updated version that is coming out pretty soon. So for those who like to grab this, then you can simply go ahead and check this one out, as this is easily going to allow you to create 3D motions by simply using your very own videos. The folks at RenderCraft Studio have put together Forge, and Forge is a true CAD precision modeling tool that brings authentic CAD modeling approach to Blender, and you can simply use this to model hard surface shapes with mathematical accuracy and instantly convert them to clean, usable, animation-ready meshes. And it's quite interesting to see how much cool things that this currently comes with, as this features some interesting parametric tools which allows you to work based off lines, splines, cylinders, spheres, and so on. At the same time, if you're thinking about creating mathematical booleans with this also allows you to do that in real time. For those who are thinking about filleting their models or even chamfering them, this gives you options for that. If you're into trimming or even lofting, there are options for you to do this in Blender. Several features that includes using 2D objects to create sweeps, revolve, pipes, and so on. This also offers a ton of features for that. And once you're done, you can choose to mirror the object on any axis of your choosing. And additionally, once you're done with your CAD model, you can easily convert this to usable clean mesh that you can use right inside of Blender, as this comes with an auto retopology tool. And of course, for those who are into CAD modeling, or possibly you're looking for a tool that can actually save you that travel time across different CAD tools and get everything done inside of Blender, then Forge is the tool for you. Milad has recently made a couple of cool Blender add-ons that I think is worth giving a shout out to. One of them has to do with a Dovetail. Dovetail version 2 is now here, and it's a pretty interesting tool for anyone that is thinking about creating printable parts of their 3D model. So instead of manually doing this add-on allows you to do all of that easily. Right now, this add-on is currently doing a 50% offer for anyone that would like to get it. So if you're into 3D printing and you're thinking about ways to create dovetails for your model, instead of doing this by hand, this add-on will definitely save you all of that time, as this features a freehand cut tool which allows you to cut the model interactively, and you can play with several parameters to get things going. So if you're into 3D printing, then you can come through and grab this while offer lasts. And speaking about things that you can grab from Milad, Milad has also put together the Lego generator, and the Lego generator is just this cute tool that converts any of your 3D models into Legos. This is one nice tool that will be super cool for stylized products. Of course, at this point, this tool is totally available for free, so just in case you like to grab that, you can grab it. However, if you like to donate to Milad, you can also buy him a coffee. At the same time, Milad has also put together several other things on his page, which includes the live cut, which allows you to easily carve out positions where you can place things in your scene. So instead of eyeballing this is automatically going to help you do that easily. Of course, this also ships with some parameters as well that can help you control how the cutting works. And because this is fully interactive, you can also move things around just to reposition them to make sure that they're exactly where you want them to be. There's also the view to cam from Milad as well, which is also a nice tool that simply converts your viewports into a camera animation. And this is a very nice one for those who are thinking about doing camera animation without actually working based off a camera. Then we've got Render Studio for anyone that's thinking about creating presets for their renders and also batch rendering. Most of the tools from Milad are currently free, and you get some of them for 50% off. Folks at Egret Studio have recently put together the LumiBrush, and the LumiBrush is a nice lighting tool that allows you to interactively stroke light or even paint light onto a 3D model. And this is pretty nice because if you're looking at creating very stylized or even cinematic looking renders and you would like to control the light exactly how you want them to be, or possibly paint light artistically on your model, then of course, this is definitely going to be the tool for you. This tool offers a good number of features that allows you control how every stroke that you get to paint looks like, and also how they get to push the quality of the 3D model that you're working with. At the same time, the folks at Egress Studios have also put together Fusion. And Fusion is one tool that I've mentioned on the channel before, and Fusion is currently having a percentage off right now. The idea behind Fusion is for you to be able to work non-destructively and fuse meshes together. So if you've always wanted to fuse meshes, possibly you like to blend them together easily and in a non-destructive fashion, then Fusion is definitely the tool for you. This is going to be super useful for kit bashing and also character or creature creation as well. And right now, this is doing a percentage offer, so just in case you like to grab it, this might be the right time for you to get it. Spaghetti Knot has recently updated the Normal Magic, and now we have Normal Magic 2.0. And Normal Magic is a collection of tools that simply offers powerful new ways of modeling inside of Blender. Similar to what we have with Fusion, this deals a little bit more with hard surfaces rather than just organic objects. Of course, you can also create organic objects, as this allows you to seamlessly project on surfaces, use advanced Boolean operations to get things going, and also work with normals to create amazing looking results. And version 2 also solidifies that, as version 2 now comes with interesting tools which includes Cut Groove, which cuts a V-shaped groove or gap where other meshes are inserted. It also ships with the Solidify Pro, which solidifies meshes with advanced profile control. At the same time, you can also offset your surface, you can extrude your booleans, and also trim them as well. So if you're looking for a tool like this, then Normal Magic version 2.0 is right here. The folks at CG Cookie has put together a pre-sale of Core 5.2 the LTS, and this is in line with the new version of Blender which should be coming out pretty soon. So for those who are thinking about learning every single thing that has to do with Blender, from modeling all the way to sculpting, lighting, materials, texturing, animation, rigging, physics, compositing, geometry nodes, and grease pencil, now is the right time for you to come through and grab this. This pre-sale is currently discounting the price of what this will cost for you to get it. And unlike the first version, this version now comes with 11 courses against 9 courses that I offered before. So just in case you're thinking about honing your skill in Blender and you're looking for well put together tutorials that can help you get started, then of course the core fundamentals for Blender is right here. So this is it. For those who like to take a look at these, or possibly take a look at some of the other ones that I've mentioned in previous videos, links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check them out. Tell me what you guys think about these ones in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.